Here is how I store my Hermes silk scarves, and I'm actually going to customize another drawer behind me, so I'll show you how I do it. So the closet system that I'm using is the IKEA packs, and this is their closet system. I specifically chose a glass shelf so that when I close the drawer, you can still see the scarves. These shallow drawers can be used for any accessories, but they're really helpful for scarves. Same thing happening over here. The first non-IKEA customization I made was adding this LED light strip. It was only about $25 from Amazon, and it goes all the way through. It is on and off. The other customization that I made was I added this weather stripping on the inside of each drawer so that when they close, they are fully protected. This is what I'm going to do today on this center drawer that I'm about to convert to a scarf drawer. This is the weather stripping that I used. It's actually a door sweep. It has a red sticky piece on one side. We do just need to do a little bit of measuring and cutting. Now I'm measuring the inside depth of the drawer. I'm gonna mark right here because that's exactly where I'm gonna cut my door sweep. Now it's all lined up and here's where I'm gonna cut. Now we have the exact perfect size and we just need to figure out the height. In terms of depth, it looks like I set this in about halfway through, so I'm gonna make a mark right there. And take off the red sticky piece, stick it into the back of the shelf, lightly stick it until I get the right sweep amount that I want. Here is what I'm going with. So now that we have our first piece in, I'm going to continue around the rest of the inside perimeter with the rest of my pieces, including the back. Here is the scarf drawer done, and now I'm going to put in some scarves. And now we can add some scarves. And those are all the drawers done. Have my Echo Faena Pool Lost Pattern Frida Kahlo Echo cocktail scarf. These two Madewell silk ones.